Hello everyone, for today's video I will be sharing to you one of my application that we can make money online. So what is this application? You can go to your Play Store and simply search Cashzine. So Cashzine, you can see all the reviews here. So all reviews have positivity and negativity, and you can see also how many people downloaded this video. So there are 10 million plus people downloaded this video and using this video for making money online. So you just open this application. If you don't have these apps, there are two ways to install this app. One is to use invitation link from your friend, and secondly is to direct install to their Play Store. So I am suggesting to you that if you have or if you want to install this application, it would be better if you use some invitation link from your friends, because there are some beneficial factors that you can gain for using invitation link from your friend. So Cashzine applications there are many ways for us to gain a coins from here, and these coins will be converted into a real money. So first way of making money in Cashzine is just only reading news here in their homepage, and homepage also you can click those subject or topics that you want to read. So every time you read a news here, you can gain some coins per seconds or per minute. Here as far as I know, even you have a comment for this news, you can also gain some coins. So for example, we're gonna go to read some news, and we can choose any criterias here, like finance. So here in finance, you just click anywhere. So you can see in your screen there are dollar sign here. So if you're gonna start to scroll it down and reading this news, your earnings will be starting to run. So you just simply wait that this running scroll down to continue reading, and you can get coins. So you just continue to scroll until this running will stop, and you can gain the points. So it is just something like you are reading this news, but actually, reading or not, you can get the coins bonus already. So you can also simply have a comment here, like anything that you want, because having a comment here, they're also giving you some bonus points. So now finally it's finished. So you just simply click this box, and they will give you plus 22 coins. So this is a very easy way to get coins from this application. So that is one of the ways to gain coins from this application. So secondly is to invite your friends. So you can gain 30,000 coins if you can invite one of your friends. So this is a very big coins, just because the equivalent of coins here, it will be converted into real money. So you can just need to read this, how you get the coins from inviting. So this invitation coin, you can share to your friends and family as well, and also for in the Facebook or any platform that you can share a link. After that, they will give you some instruction here how you get a bonus coin from inviting people. So you just need to read it carefully. And the third ways in making coins in Cashzine is, you can see in the right side of my screen, there are $100 here. So you just click this one, and after clicking this one, you of course, before you get this bonus coins, you need to watch of their advertisement. So you just need to wait this one until it finish, and your bonus coin will be added into your coins in your account. You can wait until it done. So once it's done, it will be showing us how many coins that we gain into this watching advertisement. So watch the video to get 90 coins more. So after we watch this advertisement, they give us 100 coins from our account. So if you click watch the video to get 90 coins more, so that means if you want more 90 coins, you will be clicking this again for them to continue watching their ads. So since I am already telling you what are the third ways in making coins in this app, so we just need to quit this one. And the other ways to make coins is you just need to click your profile under me, and here also you can see the equivalent of the coins. So 40,000 coins, the equivalent is $1 into Singapore dollar. So now my balance coins is 61,000 up, and incoming today's coins is still 172. So today I played and I gained 172 coins. So I have also total income coins here, total of 261,000. So deducted 200,000 because I have already my payout, which is less 200,000. So 200,000 is the equivalent is $5. So I have $5. So you can also check or see how much is your current balance and your equivalent into real money. And here also how much they need the coins for you to pay out. Fourth ways in making money here in Cashzine is the gaming application. So gaming application, I highly recommend this to you to use it because this is the one of the highest coins for us to gain by playing game. So if you click this playing game, they can also have how you do the games or what are the steps that you need to do to take a bonus coins from this application or games. So you can see the dollar sign in your upper side. You can also click this one, and here you can also have another earning coins from checking into your apps every day. So from day 1 they will give you 50 coins, and second, third day they will give you 100 coins and 150 coins. In the fourth, in the fifth day, in the sixth and the seventh day, you can have $200 bonus coin. So it's very easy to make coins in this application. It's just because there are so many ways on how you earn coins from this app. So another way in having a bonus or coins here in this app is to spin to win a lucky draw. So spin to win is you just need to check because they will give you a time also when you are going to have this free spinning of the wheel. So you have 10 attempts to spin this wheel, and we can win different coins in this wheel as well. So this is the coins in this apps. So at least you can have additional coins in this app. So this means we still have 5 remaining. So finally we finished to spin this wheel, and we go back again and see how is the next way of earning coins in these apps. So lastly is win to win with a wet quiz bonus. So we can also have a plus 250 coins into playing this quiz. So you just need to click it and get ready on how you answer their questions. So start now. Which animal has the longest lifespan in the world? Tortoise. Okay, there. Summer. So well done for your completion. 5 questions in total, 3 correct, 2 wrong, so not bad. So if you want to double these coins, we need to watch the video again. So guys, after reviewing some ways in earning coins in this application, I guess from now on we can start to earn money from this application.